Hi, everybody. Welcome to Techies Red Academy. Today, we are going to be talking about React conditional rendering. So let's go. In React, you can conditionally render components, and we have several ways to do it. We have ternary operator, if-else operator, and so on. So we can use the if JavaScript operator to decide which component to render. Example, we can use these two examples, these two components. Let's go. In this place, we are going to say function. In this place, we are going to say function missed goal which we have a curly braces. Then we'll say return h1, which says missed. So we'll say return h1, and we'll say missed. Yes. So that is for that. Then in the next one, we're going to say function made go curly braces. We'll say return h1. We'll say return h1 go. Then we'll have another function here, which will be function goal. We'll have a curly braces. In this curly braces, it is going to take a props, and here we'll have to call it for we'll say const is goal equals to props dot is goal. So now this is where we would have the if-else statement. So say if is goal return would include made goal. Else return missed goal. Now that's for that. Then let's export our goal. Then let's come to our app.js. Let's have our goal. So let's import it. We have goal, then we have goal. Then in this place, we'll say is goal equals to true. Now let's check our result. So in this situation, we should have true as our result. Goal. So if it is false here, we'll have it as missed. Yes, thank you. So that is for if-else statement. So if we want to have it in another format, which is now we can create another component that chooses which component to render based on the condition. So we have another one that we can try out. In this place, we have logical and operator. Another way to conditionally render a React component is by using the and operator. In this example below, the heading will only be rendered if the props.brand property is not empty. The right side of and operator will only be rendered if the left side is true. So let's make an example. In this place, let's call it a function. We'll say function. I hope we don't have ride in our other thing. Function ride. Inside this function ride, we'll say return. Oh, before I missed it, we are even meant to have a props inside it. Props. Yes. Then we'll say return, we'll have a fragment. Inside this fragment, we'll say props dot brand and H1, which will be my car is a props dot brand. Now let's import our ride. I think we already have ride here. Let's say made. That's why it's showing us an error. I didn't see that before. So let's say made. Now let's come here. Let's import our made. And it will say made. Let's come here to and say let's come here to and say made. Then in this place, we'll say made equals to brand. We'll say made equals to brand equals to, let's say Ford. Now let's check our result. Let's refresh. So can you see my car is a Ford? I hope you understand that. And actually, we can also do something else, which is ternary operator. So in the props.brand evaluate to true, the expression after and operator will render if the props brand evaluates to true, the expression after and operator will render. Try emptying the brand property. So we have an example. Okay, now operator, let's go. So another way to conditionally render elements is by using a ternary operator. Condition, if it is true, give us this. If it is false, give us this. Now, let's go back to our goal example that we had. So we have to comment out this goal, made goal, or this thing that we have. I'll comment this goal out. So in this aspect, I would say function goal, which you take a props, and inside these props, we'll say const is goal equals to props dot is goal. Then we'll say return. I don't know what's wrong. This is not, I don't know, it's not typing. So we'd have our fragment like this. If it's go, do this. And if it's not correct, do like this. So let's proceed. So let's import, and in this place is go, we already have it as false here. Now let's check our result. Can you see is missed because we have it as false here. If I change it to true, let me change it to true for you. That's making use of ternary operator. I hope you understand. Sorry, it should be true, not this true. Can you see we have a goal? I hope you understand so well. Thank you for watching this video. Do well to follow us across all socials at Tech is Academy. See you next time. Bye.